Okay guys, back with me again. It's Ryan from Escape Life channel. So you may have watched my video about increasing my Mini 2 fly range, or if you haven't, you can watch it here. So after a long time not updating about how it flies in hack mode, today finally I can show you guys how my hack Mini 2 perform compared to its stock range. So many of Mini 2 users say that they don't need to hack since they got FCC mode out of the box, but you may be wrong there. So it's true that you guys with FCC mode can reach same range with our hack Mini 2, but remember, there is some advantages you can still unlock by hacking your Mini 2. Some of them, you can disable geofence, or simple way, you can fly wherever you want with the very strict disclaimer here. You are on your own. And the next is you can bypass Mini 2 flight altitude. For some of you who don't know, Mini 2 has its max flight altitude of 500 meters or about 1640 foot, so the system won't let you fly your Mini 2 above it. But guess what? In this video, I'm gonna show you the true potential of hack Mavic Mini 2. As you know in my video, once again if you haven't watched it, you can watch it here. We are gonna fly this bad boy up to the tip of this mountain, located on special region of Yogyakarta, Indonesia, and see how far this boy can fly without losing its signal. Spoiler alert, the limit is about battery, not the signal. Oh, and by the way, you can watch my trip to Yogyakarta right here if you want. And here we are at the altitude of 840 meters and about 2,200 meters of distance. As you can see, we still have solid bar of signal. We only lose one bar of signal here. Short stories, I've reached this point using about 30% of my battery. And guess what? The drone can fall any moment from now, either because a hawk, an eagle, or any kind of bird, or even a strong gust came from any direction, or maybe motor gets stuck by volcano debris. As you know, Merapi was just erupted yesterday, so hopefully I can fly back my drone safely. Hopefully. So if you wonder why my battery drains so fast as we ascending to the distance, the answer is simple. Right now, I was take off my drone about 80 meters above the sea level with additional altitude of 1030 meters of Mini 2 with total of about 1900 meters maybe, and it is above the sea level, so you can imagine how thin is the air right there. Mini 2 should struggle so much to gain altitude. That's why battery drains faster than the usual. Okay, right now we already reached 1100 meters of altitude and 2900 meters of distance with 50% of battery remain. It should be good, and here we are on the farthest point of Mini 2, reaching 1100 meters of altitude and 2900 meters of distance. Let's take some photos here and let's get back home. At the end, the limit is about battery, but I still appreciate this bad boy. Imagine they can pack all module into powerful system in tiny drone with the weight less than 250 grams. start from flight control, GPS, gyroscope, compass, camera, gimbal, and lastly its battery. Imagine how many combinations they tried to balance between battery, weight, capacity, and its flight time. Because I think you already know, more battery means heavier drone and it will drain energy faster when flying. So congrats to DJI by finding the sweetest spot of module combination. And I think that's all for today. Once again, we have reached 1,100 meters of altitude and 2,900 meters of distance by hack our Mini 2. You can hack your Mini 2 or not by watching this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you can learn something new today. Don't forget to comment, like, and sub to help this channel grow. And I'll see you in the next video.